This is Kathy. She's a nurse. She's tall and thin. She works at the hospital. She looks after sick people. She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She takes a shower and put on her clothes. Then she eats breakfast at 6:30. At 7 o'clock, she drives her car to the hospital. Kathy starts work at 8 o'clock. She cleans the rooms in the hospital. Then, she helps the doctors. At 12 o'clock, she has lunch. She goes home at 5 o'clock. At home, she takes a shower and she cooks dinner. She has dinner at 6:30 in the evening. Then, she watches TV. At 10 o'clock, she goes to bed.